YouTube, my name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for You, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. So in today's video, I have a pink girly haul for you all, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's get into it. I didn't get everything at one time. These are some things from Christmas and from Valentine's Day. Again, everything will be linked in the description. You can find some things on my Amazon store, on my LTK. Everything will be in the description. So first up, we have this pink wallet. I was really looking for a quilted wallet that's pink, and these actually come in some different shades. I decided to get this shade of pink, which is like a raspberry sort of pink, and it has a crown on the top, and I think it's really cute. Kind of reminds me a little bit of Chanel, but not for Chanel prices. It has several slots for you to put your cards in, ID, everything else like that, money, paper, receipts, and change in here. So I think this is super cute, super affordable, and again, the link will be in the description. Snap closure right here, and this is how the bottom is. Really cute for the girlies who love pink. Next up is this quilted mini pink bag. I love, again, it's sort of like Chanel, but not for Chanel prices. It has the metal, the gold chain on it as the strap, and in the front it has this little clasp thing, but there's nothing there. It's really just for design, and then a little gold ball on the side, and then inside when you open it up, it still has stuffing because I haven't worn it yet. I took some pictures with it, but I haven't worn it. There's no pocket inside, so it's just enough, I guess, maybe for your cell phone. Probably not your cell phone, just lip gloss and, you know, change, your ID, things like that. But summertime is coming and springtime is coming, so if you don't want to wear a big bag but you still want to be cute, this is perfect. And it also adds a pop of color to your outfit, so I really love this. This is super cute. Okay, so next up, if you've seen my nail videos, these are my real nails, by the way. They're covered in acrylic and they need to get done. They need to get filled in. I was talking about how when you get gel nails, the UV lamp is not really good for your skin. It was messing up my skin. So I decided to get some pink gloves. These are manicure gloves that you can put on when you're gonna get your nails done and you don't want to, you know, mess up your skin with the UV lighting. So when you're gonna put your hands under the UV lamp, you can just like take the glove and cover up your skin and then place it under the lamp. And these are them. I actually could have made these. For those of you who've been watching me for a long time, you know I sew, and I could have made these, but I bought them because they're pink. And yes, I got these. These are super cute, and they're gonna help me when I go get my nails done next time. Okay, so for some other pink stuff, I actually have them on. This is a nice pink headband, and this one came in a pack of like 10 headbands. So I'll put the link in the description. And I also got these pink bow earrings. You know that bows are very trendy, and I love the whole bow trend, especially if it's pink. You know, if it's pink, most likely I'm gonna buy it. So I love these. This top I have on is from Halara, and it's a bra top like for sports. To it in the description, since it's pink and this is a pink girly haul, I thought I would include that in there as well. Next up are these wristbands and headband. When you do your skincare, and I love to do my skincare, you use this headband to keep your hair out of the way, or if you just want to look cute. And these wristbands, because you know when you wash your face and the water just drips down your arms, these wristbands will grab the water, and they're pink, so they will look super cute when you do your skincare routines and you take pictures for other influencers who do skincare. This looks so cute when you're doing your skincare videos. So next up, I got a cute pack of girly socks. As soon as I saw these, I was like, yes, I cannot wait to wear these in the spring and summertime. So they're basically white, and then they have like pink flowers going up and down. They are so cute, and then the top part is like pink It looks super cute. So I think there's like about 5 pairs of socks in here. This pair it's all white, and then it has like, it's just pink something, pink flowers going down the side. Some of them just have this one here, and then some of them are just all white, which is going to be perfect. So when I wear my skirts or dresses in the springtime, it's going to look super cute. I think there's like 2 all white pairs. Yeah, it's just like a combination of socks, but some of them are all white, and then some have pink in it. So these are super cute. So for some more jewelry, in addition to these cute pink bow earrings, I have these tiny, tiny dangly pink heart earrings. They're so tiny though, it may be hard for you to see them, but I love these because they're a nice soft pink and they dangle. They're gonna look so cute. I love these. And then I also got these, which are like rhinestone, and it's like a pink heart. I don't know if you can see it with this lighting a little bit right there. There's a bow at the top and then a pink heart, really, really light, and then surrounded by like rhinestones. It's gonna look super pretty. These are not pink, but since I'm showing you the earrings that I got, these are just some cute swan earrings. I thought they were really, really cute, really, really girly. And then this right here is a charm. So if you have a Stanley Cup, you can put it on your charm, or you know, the Stanley dupes or the tumblers. This one has my initial K on it, and you see I have this here. If you want, I'll link this in the description as well. And so let me show you the cups that I have. So first and foremost, this one is not a cup. This is a water bottle, but I love it because it's pink. It has pink tennis rackets on it, and it's super cute. Then it has the yellow tennis balls. I've been using this to go to dance class, and it's really, really easy for me to carry because I can just grab it like this. And then to drink the water, just do like that, and then you just drink it. I really, really love it because it's the one that comes with the straw. The only thing, it doesn't hold a lot of water, but I really, really like the way this looks. It has the rubber on the bottom, so when you place it down, it's not gonna slip or slide. It'll have a good grip. And I love this. This is by Swig, and this is a really, really good, like, quality water bottle. I highly recommend this because I was really impressed. Some of the water bottles I don't really, really like, but I really, really love this one. It's just really cute, and it has the logo right here. It has the logo right here, and it has the logo right here. And they have so many different colors, designs, and sizes. So I recommend this one. Next up is this Stanley dupe. This one I got from Five and Below, and I actually bought this bow cover for the straw came with this charm that you really just have to put on the side of the cup to make it look super cute. It's super trendy right now, and I like pink, and I love the way this looks. So this charm is like a heart and then a butterfly, and it's a gold chain, and then it came with this pink bow because you know bows are very trendy right now. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you don't want to spend, you know, money on a Stanley Cup. This is a very good dupe, and it's only $5. The only thing is it's metal on the outside and it's plastic on the inside. That's why it's not a lot of money, but I love the way it looks. I haven't used them just yet, so I will do an update video on me using them and what I feel about these, but it's super cute. I got this one for Christmas. So another cup that I got for Christmas, this one is a hot pink Stanley dupe, and this one is all metal on the outside and metal on the inside. It has the straw here, and then this is the top. I have to do an update because I haven't used it yet, but I like the fact that I have one in light pink and hot pink because I definitely wear different shades of pink, and I think it's gonna be really cute for that. It has on the bottom this here to grip it. I think I got this for a really good price. I got this on clearance, so this was a really good price. I still have not used these cups yet. I don't know what it's like. I feel like a water bottle for my lifestyle is really more practical, but I'm gonna try these and see. So I got a light pink and this one, and then if you watched my what I got for Christmas video, I had those in there, and I let you know that I was gonna be getting this one, which is a dupe of the Love Shack Fancy and Stanley one. This is really good quality. You see it has the floral print on it, and it's white, pink, and green, and it says Quencher H2.0 tumbler, and this one holds 40 ounces just like the other two. It comes with this topper. It's like a floral topper with a smiley face. I have not used it yet. It has a to and from sign, so if you're giving it to someone, that would be really cute. You can write their information on there. This is what the bottle is looking like. It's all metal. So again, I have not used these cups just yet. I'm just now getting into the whole trend, and I'm gonna update you. The only thing I'm seeing is like, you know, this is plastic, so I'm wondering like if you drop it, will it be able to like withstand a fall? But I think it's super cute because number one, it's pink. I love the floral design. And yeah, I'll leave a couple of links because I know this was sold out really quickly, and the one it's hard for me to, okay, there you go. The one from Love Shack Fancy and Stanley, that one was sold out last year really quickly. So I'm so happy that I was able to get one. I'll do my best to put a link or a few links for different ones in the description, but I love this one. I can't wait to do my videos with them, my get ready with me, because it just looks super cute. Since we're on floral prints, I got this Coach notebook. Again, if you watched my what I got for Christmas video, I will link it. I told you that I had this coming, and I'm finally now getting a chance to do the unboxing. I do have to do another unboxing video, so I don't want to really unbox it, so I'm gonna sorta unbox it. But this is made by Coach. This is a notebook, and I really love notebooks because I write all the time. And this is my second one that I have by Coach. I'm trying not to, oh, you see, when you open it up, it's black. The notebook is there, it says Coach, and then it's just blank paper that you can write. Now, from what I remember, the other one that I had the Coach logo on the sheets, so I don't know, I guess they switched it up now. You know, these companies are trying to save money, so things are not made the same, but it does say Coach right here, and it's just a nice soft floral pink, which I love. I have another one of these, and it has the gold snap closure, and it had like the little Coach tag right here. You could get this on the Coach website, but I think this is sold out, so you will probably have to get it from a reseller. But I'll try to find some links if there are any of you that like this type of stuff, because I like it. And this is canvas, so it's really pretty, and it goes with my cup. It's so cute, so I cannot, I mean, it's not a perfect match because this has the green, but it's still in that family, and I think it's super cute. Next up for the girly pink haul are these cute cell phone cases. This one is so cute. Again, another floral print, so I feel like it's gonna go with the notebook, with the water bottle. Like, I'm just gonna be all pinked up. This is gonna be super cute. This is so nice to take pictures with, and yeah, I love this one. And then this one says travel because I plan on traveling, but and I just think this is good inspiration. It has Brazil on it, the North Atlantic Ocean, and some postcards. And yeah, and it's pink. It's super cute, and it says travel right here. This, I got it for my cell phone. They got different ones, so I will leave the link in the description, and if I can't get these exact ones, I'm gonna put a similar link. So again, this is a combination of stuff from Shein, from Five Below, from Amazon. You can find it on my Amazon storefront or my LTK, or like everything on my LTK. Everything in this video will be in my LTK. Some things will just have to be on Amazon, so just check the description. I will leave you the link. Okay, so I have these ice maker trays. I have 2 of them. They are so cute. You see it's pink And you just fill them up with water, put them in your freezer, and you will have heart ice cubes. So I haven't gotten a chance to use them yet, but I will use them. I was saving all of these goodies for this haul, so I hope that you enjoyed my haul. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can receive all of my uploads. And thank you for subscribing. Thank you to all of my new subscribers. We reached a 12K now. I still haven't done my 10K official announcement video, but that's coming. But thank you so much. And I will be doing a giveaway soon. As a matter of fact, I'm going to be shooting the video after this one. So thank you guys for helping me to reach almost 13K now. And thank you so much. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I love you all. Thank you for watching.